So if you're looking between a pergola and a gazebo, a pergola is obviously open roof. There's no shingle roof structure, so a gazebo has that. Not much difference in probably the size. They're probably all going to be in the same, footprint of 20 by 20 or less. It's just a matter of a gazebo generally will have a rough shingled structure, and then a pergola is open, so there's no roof on it. I think a gazebo is probably going to be more than a pergola. You get a roofing component you got to install after that. The framing is probably similar in both. I would just think the roofing and shingles would be the added cost for a gazebo.